The Wellsworth and Suddery Railway is a line that runs through the town of Wellsworth, through the Sudrian capital, Suddery, and ends in the harbour town of Brendam. Many engines work this line, but recently the railway is falling in hard times, often relying on the Northwestern to send engines to assist. This railway owns 3 engines. Number 1 is named Mitten, number 2 is Jason, and number 3 is named Morgan. Jason pulled into Wellsworth with the train tired and out of steam. Then the manager walked up. "Jason, are you all right?" "No, sir," exclaimed Jason. "I'm being worked to my frames here. We need a new engine." The manager thought, I think I'll look into it. And he walked away. A few days later, the manager answered, "Hello, engines. I've arranged a purchase of 2 new tank engines. They'll be here next week." Miriam puffed up and said, "Who are you two?" Small guy's edge. "I'm Percy." The other big one said, "I'm Dingley. Now go fetch me some coaches." "Like hell I am," said Mitten. "Get your own," and he puffed away. Dingley puffed in the yard looking for someone to help find some coaches for him. The manager arrived. "Hello there, you must be Dingley." "Yeah, I am. Now where's the coaches?" Well, there's trucks over there for you." Dingley sighed but complied. Dingley muttered, "I'm too important for trucks. I should be here if you're running the express." The trucks were displeased, to say the least. Meanwhile, Percy was pulling empty wagons to be filled at Brendam. Jason was at the station. "Who are you?" asked Jason. "I'm Percy, one of the new engines." "Who are you?" "I'm Jason." "Oh, nice to have a helping hand around here."